A blown hydraulic hose does not just stop a machine.
On logging equipment, that hose may be running the boom, the grapple, the head, or the controls.
When it fails under pressure, you can have downtime, an injured worker, oil on the ground, and a loss that is harder to explain after the fact.
So the question is not just, did someone fix it?
The question is, was anyone inspecting it before it failed?
Cracking, bulging, abrasion, exposed wire, leaks around fittings, hose age.
Those details should not live in someone's memory. They should be part of a written inspection and replacement schedule. And when equipment is working near water, wetlands, timberland, or sensitive property, your crew should know where the spill kit is, who gets called, and what gets documented.
A hose failure can damage equipment. It can injure a worker. It can threaten the environment. Poor documentation, that can put your entire business at risk.
Learn more at hakorisk.com.